Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that CRYPGPT token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, CRYPGPT is an AI-powered cryptocurrency ecosystem designed to support traders, investors, communities, and businesses. The platform integrates AI-driven trading signals and automated bots to assist with decision making, aiming to simplify complex trading activities. The ecosystem includes advanced AI tools for fraud and scam detection, providing enhanced security for users, facilitate communication across region, enabling a global user experience. CryptGPT also offers crypto payment solutions, including a crypto card and AI-powered compliance features to support seamless and secure cross-border transaction. Overall, CryptGPT combines multiple AI-driven utility and DeFi functionalities into a single ecosystem, targeting improved efficiency, safety, and accessibility in crypto adoption. CryptGPT project institution rating is 3.1. CryptGPT token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion CryptGPT token. CryptGPT token is listed on Bluefin and other exchanges. Up to 60% chances is that it is, if I share my opinion with you, then this project only 60% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.